Happy Friday. Today is May 17th of 2019, and this is a private Bitcoin cryptocurrency index update for my subscribers. Those of you who have been following the cycle closely with us know that we had 2 cycle highs expected for the month of May. The first cycle high was expected to come in on the 15th, and actually it came in exactly on the 15th at $8,300. Now we had a second high expected to come in on the 20th, which is still coming and expected this Monday, May 20th. From the high on the 15th, we were expecting a pullback or a price reversal yesterday, Thursday, May 16th, and we got it. And then additionally, which we weren't expecting, Bitcoin dropped one more day today, making a low today at $6,178. Right after making the low, it immediately reversed right back up sharply and then currently trades at $7,263. The drop yesterday does not change the overall cycle. We continue to expect a cycle high for this Monday and continue to expect some significant strength for the altcoins potentially this weekend, beginning as early as tomorrow, Saturday. Next, let's also discuss May 20th for cycle high potential price targets. Monday could either be a higher high, higher than May 15th, so that would be higher than 8,300, possibly taking Bitcoin to 8,500 to up to $9,000. Into Monday, there's still potential for Bitcoin to get up to about $8,500 or higher. The other possibility for Monday, May 20th, would be a lower high, which means that May 15th will end up holding as the high, and the lower high would be on Monday, coming in at approximately, say, $7,800 range, slightly lower than the high of May 15th. But either way, I'm still expecting an upcycle into Monday, and once Monday completes, then I do expect a price reversal down into the end of the month. Okay, so we should have a go away in May beginning on or about Tuesday, May 21st. This down cycle is expected to continue into the 29th through the 30th of May. At this current point in time, I am expecting Bitcoin to have a down cycle beginning on May 21st into month end May 29th through the 30th. So the 21st through the 29th is a danger zone for Bitcoin. So this is a point to be careful, and if you are going to be exiting positions on this coming Monday, the 20th, then please scroll over here to page 2 and please review how to do that using the True USD coin, which is an ERC20 token, which can be stored safely off the exchanges on my Ether wallet. So now let's get to live charts, and we'll have a closer look at Bitcoin, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash. I added Ethereum today, and then Digibyte and Theta. So let's get to live charts. And here are the live charts. Now let's start with Bitcoin. Now this candlestick or the day will be closing approximately 30 minutes, nearing close of the day, and you will see the candlestick that was formed today with the drop. You'll see Bitcoin dropped all the way down. It actually landed exactly on this Fibonacci support line here at 6178 and then immediately reversed right back up. Now you'll notice the 600-day moving average again continues to serve as support again for closing prices. So you'll notice even with a drop today, it came right back up, and it may by the close in the next 30 minutes still come up a little higher and close maybe around 7,400. But regardless, it is above the 600-day moving average. We got extreme support here continued for Bitcoin at this 600-day moving average. Also, the 20 EMA line is serving as support. So we have sizable support here for Bitcoin, and I'm still expecting, per the cycle, it to be up into Monday. So Monday's high could be either one of these two targets. We may see a high which would be a lower high, which would take Bitcoin to about 7,800, possibly around this zone here, or it could be a higher high which would take Bitcoin above this May high, bring it up to possibly 8,500 or higher. So we'll see what price arrives here this coming Monday, but again, from this drop we should see a decent or a sizable reversal because this is a very large wick, which means that potentially potentially the opposite to it, to the upside, could be rather strong. So we'll see what happens this weekend, but we still have Saturday, Sunday, and Monday for upcycle. We'll see what kind of price arrives, but just continue to expect upwards price movement for the next 3 trading days. Next, let's go over to chart for Litecoin. And here's Litecoin. You'll notice Litecoin broke through the 600-day moving average, came back, landed on support yesterday, then broke down through it today, but landed on this 475 and perfectly the 20 EMA lines has been serving as support here for Litecoin. So do expect Litecoin to reverse beginning tomorrow. Again, we still have 3 trading days, and Litecoin, when it moves, it can move very powerfully. So don't be surprised if Litecoin still gets up over $100 and might achieve our targets here that we had from the past few days. If we pull the line up here on the channel, it could go up as high as 120 down to possibly 111, 113. We'll see what price is achieved this weekend, but do expect upwards price movement for the alternate coins. And the alternate coins here may actually outperform Bitcoin in terms of strength. So don't be surprised if some of the alternate coins have substantial strength this weekend. Now let's look over to Bitcoin Cash. You'll notice a drop yesterday, gave us a red candlestick, but notice it came right back up. And what did it do? It bounced right off the 20 EMA line, came up, and currently trades under the 350-day moving average, above the 20. And again, we still have 3 trading days, so Bitcoin Cash could have sizable strength. And just like Litecoin, if we pull up the channel, we're still potentially looking for Bitcoin Cash to get up to $550 range, maybe higher into the $600 range. We'll see what price arrives into this weekend, but again, do continue to expect upwards price movement. Today's drop for Bitcoin Cash really barely caused any price damage, and the cycle continues to remain up. Next, I've had quite a few requests for Ethereum, so I added Ethereum today, and I drew in a channel here. You'll see, just like the other coins, created a flag pattern, busted out of the flag pattern, went vertical. It went through the 350-day moving average, which is what Bitcoin Cash has difficulty clearing right now. So it went through the 350-day, came back, dropped down through it, and then came right back up. So Ethereum has substantial support here at the 350. It's broken through the flag. Ethereum didn't even come back to touch the 20 EMA. So Ethereum has a substantial strength. It could be a very strong coin for this coming weekend. And next, let's look over to Digibyte. This was a strong move Digibyte had 2 days ago. You'll see the pullback occurred yesterday, and today's pullback again, quite insignificant in terms of a pullback. So right now, Digibyte trades above the 55 and the 20 EMA lines with resistance here at the 270. Should have strength this weekend, and we'll see how high it goes, but I am expecting a reversal here for Digibyte as well. And then Theta, lastly, looks very strong actually. You'll notice Theta busted through the 20 and the 55 EMA. It's approaching to get a buy signal here, even though with a drop came down to the 120 simple moving average and the 20 EMA and then bounced straight back up. It has very minimal price movements today. You'll see it's a very small candlestick. Theta potentially should have and could have some very sizable strength going into the weekend. I'm watching closely. Let's watch what the coins do this weekend into Monday. Again, Monday is an important day for the cryptocurrencies. So if you're going to act, make sure you do something on Monday, as that is expected to be an important cycle high point, and then we're supposed to get a price reversal beginning on or about this coming Tuesday, May 21st. I wish you a truly wonderful weekend. May God bless you. Be well, and I will be talking with you shortly. Bye-bye.